Allama Iqbal is our national poet. He was a great man who cared about the pain of Muslims. He treated everyone with humility, without discrimination, and had a very cheerful disposition. November is the month of his birth. He is the poet of East. He was born in Sialkot on November 9, 1877. He received his early education in Sialkot. He passed intermediate examination from Murray College, Sialkot. Then he went to Lahore for higher studies. After that, he went to England and Germany. He got PhD in philosophy. He wrote many poems in praise of the Muslim culture. He gave the idea of Pakistan. He requested Quaid-e-Azam to accept the leadership of the Muslims. He was, indeed, a great leader. He died on April 21, 1938. He was buried near the Badshahi Mosque in Lahore.